the FCT area, and of course all ambassadors are now here under your in your area now. All ambassadors are here under your control, and I come first of all to congratulate you and to wish you success in your new position, and also to confirm you that we all have abide to the laws of the country. So whatever is coming from your office as instructions, we have to follow the rules and to comply with what the law indicates. So this is our way to understand, to be here as ambassadors, following, supporting the country, but also to respect rules and laws of the country that hosts us, this important country in which we want to strengthen our links, increase our cooperation, and be partners in the way forward of the country. And you, of course, a relevant person for us, being here the minister of the FCT, who are in your territory. So we have to, first of all, to welcome you and to wish you all the best for your new important endeavor in this area. And allow me to tell you, Your Excellency, that when I came last year to visit you in River State, I was very much impressed about your activities. And having you here in Abuja now and in FCT means that we can continue our very good cooperation.
Well, let me sincerely welcome you to my office, and to also say that I'm very delighted to meet you again. Luckily, you are still the ambassador of Italy, where you came to Port Harcourt as when I was governor. We
Yes.
tried to see how we can cooperate.
Exactly.
Again, like the way nature or the way God has allowed it, I'm here now. So we'll continue with that cooperation, particularly as regards to FCT. Let me thank you for agreeing to the fact that we have to obey rules, we have to obey orders as provided in our laws.
True.
You may have seen our publications as per embassies and commissions to be able to pay their grand rents. It is not targeted at anybody, but to improve our internally generated revenue so that we'll be able to utilize it for the development of the city.
True.
And so I thank you for agreeing that we must obey rules. Let me also assure you that we'll make the environment comfortable for the embassies and commissions in order to carry out the activities freely. Ours is to see that the environment is conducive for businesses to thrive. If the environment is not conducive, it will be difficult for businesses to thrive.
True.
So I can assure you that you will have a very good environment conducive in that matter that will enable you to carry out your activities. And whatever you think that FCT should do, we are willing to partner with you. I will come personally again to also pay you a visit.
Thank you.
So that we can continue to see where of mutual benefits.
Exactly.
For Nigeria and for Italy, particularly what we can do as a city in order to bring in investors in our city. You know very well that Abuja is a place where you can carry out large scale of agriculture. Tourism is very important here. So we think that when I come to your office, we'll be able to see how we can, find opportunities to cooperate for them. But thank you for agreeing to partner with us. Thank you for agreeing to obey the rules and regulations. And thank you for us to carry out businesses together.
I must thank you again, Your Excellency. First of all, I will be glad to host you in the embassy. And Italy and Rome, our capital, is a front runner for tourism, for development. Rome is also campaigning for becoming the country or the city to host Expo 2030 with a huge plan to support sustainable cities, developing new ideas for green cities, and it will be a pleasure to interact among the two capitals, but it will be a pleasure to cooperate with you, Your Excellency, to follow your guidance, your ideas, and Italy and also the European Union. Of course, we are a member state. I can speak as a member state also of the European Union. We will be very glad to strengthen our cooperation with you and with the capital and with the whole country. So thank you very much, and we will keep in touch. And again, my best wishes for success in your new position, very important position here. Thank you. Thank you.
Small talking for you.
Oh,
Yes, so that anywhere you go,
done.
anywhere you go, you will know
Yes.
that this is.
Oh, this is a wonderful gift. Thank you very much.
For the city.
Yes, yes, this will call my office. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, as we did in your Portago, in your office.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, very, yes, I did.
and we will have in November an Italian week for cuisine. We wanted, we write you,
Yeah,
because we wanted you to have you as guest of honor.